Same kind of the remark, sin a plus b, sin a minus b is cos a plus b, cos a minus b. Write in your notebook, complete this part, and then I will explain. I am going to instruct something, and I will be getting the formulas of the type SP and PS. SP means sum to product, and PS means product to sum. What is that? That we will learn afterwards. First, try to learn a formula. Now check, I think you are getting this kind of the formulas, number it 1, 2, 3, 4. Before that, confirm that what I have written plus minus sign and all, are they correct or not. Okay, now I am going to instruct add 1 and 2. Add 1 and 2. I am getting on the left hand side sine of a plus b plus sine of a minus b. Do at your end and tell me what are you getting now. Similarly, subtract 1 minus 2 minus 1. 1, 2 from 1. So it will be sine of a plus b minus sine of a minus b. Tell me what you will get if you subtract this minus this will get cancelled. Okay, what I should write? Tell 2 cos of a into sine of b. Is it plus 2 will come or minus 2? Check properly. It is minus 2. Is it okay? Now similarly add 3 and 4 and then subtract 3 and 4. You will get few more remark. It will be cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. Look at the expression. Which term will get cancelled this sign? It will be 2 cos a cos b. And in case you are subtracting cos of a plus b, over here minus cos of a minus b, it will be giving you what? Here minus is there or plus is there? Let me confirm that also. Plus is coming, plus. Over here cos of a plus b and cos of a minus b. This minus, so over here this is minus, so it will get cancelled. Now in this case you will get 2 sin a into cos b. So these are the basic formulas. This is 1, 2, this is 3, this one is 4. So these are the 4 standard remarks which you should know now, okay. Further, I am going to change this. You will be noting down this all. What little correction? I am just considering a plus b is equal to c and a minus b will be equal to d. These changes I am going to do in the above set of formulas. No, if I am writing so first will be nothing but sin c plus sin d. Okay? What about the second? Sin c minus sin d. Third one, cos c plus cos d. Fourth one, cos of c minus cos of d. These are nothing but the 4. So right side there will be changes. No? I am changing here c and d. Now what is a and what is b? If you are asking me, then I am just trying to simplify this. A plus b will be equal to c and a minus b will be equal to d. If you simplify, it will be 2a will be equal to c plus d and a will be nothing but c plus d by 2. A value is nothing but c plus d by 2. So I am replacing everywhere a. This is a. First formula. 2 sin c plus d by 2. And if you want b, cos c minus d by 2. Over here 2 cos c plus d by 2. Here sin c minus d by 2. Next 2 cos c plus d by 2. Over here again cos c minus d by 2. Last one 2 sin, but minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. So you are getting again 4 more remarks. All these remarks are very important. Wow, very important. We don't know when or how we can use this remark. Okay. At the same times, you can tell me these 4 remarks can be written in the reverse order. Do that in your notebook. What is the meaning of the reverse order? Right here, 2 sin a cos b will be equal to this. 2 cos a cos sin b will be equal to this. Right side first and left hand next. Okay. Just so because we don't know which pattern is there in the requirement of the solving the procedure of the question, anyhow you can use it also. So you should know the both the techniques. Reverse, do it. If you are writing in the reverse order, the formulas will look like this. So this is one more set of formulas. So the collection is over. Now we'll be talking about the problem based on that. How to make use of these formulas. Okay. The formula which you can see on your screen now is called as P2S formulas. P2S. Do you know why this is not the standard name? You don't call now. It is only for recall. Whenever any product is given and you want to write in the sum form, then this is left hand side is sum is here and right hand side everything is product. So this is nothing but sum to product formulas. So one should know whenever I am asking you tell me S to P, then you will be telling this formulas. When I am asking you tell me P to S, then you will be telling this formula. So now the question will be based on this set of questions, okay, on this formulas. Here I am just asking you how to make use of that also. Simplify. Look here. Suppose I have written 2 sin 5x into cos 4x. So which pattern is there? The first formula is applicable. 2 sin 5 into cos 4. Okay. What will be the answer? Sin a plus b 9x plus sin x. Are you following? Product was given. I have written in the sum. Now 2 cos 3x into cos 4x. Now this is of the form this 2 cos 3x cos of a plus b. It will be cos of 7x plus cos of a minus b. It is cos of minus x. But in the next step you have learned that it is nothing but cos x. Now similarly one more question. 2 cos 3x into cos of 7x. Say here it is sin will do. So that I want to show something else. The formula number 2 is applicable. Sin their addition 10x minus sin their subtraction minus 4x. Remember in the previous question cos of minus theta over here, but there is a change. This is sin of minus theta is now. So you will be getting sin of 4x. So this way you can make use of these formulas. There will be some question. Sometimes no, if it is asked like this also, can you write this cos A into cos B? This is given in the product. Say cos 4x and I am writing another question. Cos of 4x into cos of 3x into some form. It is possible. I think cos 4 means the third formula is applicable, but third formula is not complete over here. So you can do like this and then try 1 by 2 outside. Now 2 cos A cos B cos 7x plus cos x. So your answer will be 1 by 2 cos 7x plus 1 by 2 cos of x. So what is here? The product was given. We have written in a simplest form, sum form. Okay. Let us look at a new question which I am putting. It is given in a product. This is question from class 12. It will be sin 2x cos 3x into sin 4x. Listen, this question can be asked in many ways. Over here all the 3 places I can write sin. All the 3 places I can write cos. Somewhere cos and sin. So there are many possibilities. Now how to simplify? What is to be done? This is to be multiplied by half. And sin 2x I am just keeping outside and writing 2 cos 3x into sin 4x. Now this formula is known to you. 2 cos sin. Look here. 2 cos sin. It will be sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. So it will be 1 by 2 sin 2x as it is over here. Sin a plus b means sin 7x minus sin of minus x. Make a habit of writing like this. Further simplify, open the bracket and all. It will be 1 by 2 sin 2x sin 7x this minus and this minus plus over here. If cos is there, then no minus, that taken sine 2x into sine x. Listen this point. Is it over? Earlier 3 terms were there in the product. I am talking about P to S. Now there are two terms. I want this is to be also splitted. So it can be written as 1 by 4. Now I am writing over here sine 2x sine 7x plus again 1 by 4 I am writing here 2 sine 2x into sine x. We don't know what kind of the formula will generate whenever this will change, but out of this 4 only one of the formula is applicable. Now if you see the remarks which you feel that it's a sine is applicable. If you look at the sine remark, minus 2 is required. Then only cos of a plus b and cos of a minus b will be coming. So what I am doing, I am here adjusting that minus and keeping minus outside. This is minus, this is minus, this is minus, this is minus. Now minus 1 by 4 as it is. First cos of a plus b, it will be cos of 9x. Okay? Minus cos of a minus b, it will be minus 5x. Close this bracket. Minus 1 by 4 over here. Cos of their addition, it is 3x. Minus cos of their subtraction x. Now you can simplify, open up the bracket. It will be minus 1 by 4 cos 9x. This is negative, but negative only. It will be minus plus 1 by 4 cos of 5x will be there. Minus 1 by 4 cos of 3x will be there. Plus 1 by 4 it will be cos x. Now if you see, the whole term, whole expression is now separated. This was in a product form, this was in a product form, and now I have given a same answer in the form of sum. This and this both are identical. Sometimes the question may ask like that, simplify, or this is given and this is to be asked to prove also. Okay. So this is one of them. So I just now I have explained with what is P to S. Now simply I am just talking about S to P form. Whenever sum is given and you wish to write a product formula, I am just putting one more time the formulas in front of you. Look at that formulas and not to confuse. No. These are the formulas which I am supposed to use while answering the question. Now, suppose I am asking what is the addition of sine 2x plus sine 4x. Which formula is applicable? See here. Sine 2x plus sine 4x. First one. What is the answer? 2. 2 I am writing. Their addition sine 6x by 2. Their subtraction cos minus 2x by 2. Are you connecting? Now further simplify. Always write here minus. Next step you can simplify. 2 sine 3x into cos of x. Cos of x. 4. Sum is given and you are getting in a product form. So this is a logical arrangement. How to get sine. It will be sine minus will be there. Cos will be there. I'm just putting one application of this one. Okay. See. Next. Try now sine 4x minus sine 7x. Then cos 2x plus cos 3x plus cos of 5x minus cos of 7x. These are the 4 questions. Now going with the first question. Sine C minus sine D. Can you see the formula? Look at the top. Sine C minus sine D. Second, it will be 2 cos their addition 11x by 2 into sine their subtraction minus 3x by 2. But sine of minus theta you know it will be minus, so that minus I am bringing over here. It will be cos of 11x by 2. This is sine of 3x by 2. Connecting. Now look at this formula. Cos C plus cos D. Correct. 2 cos 5x by 2 into cos minus x by 2. But cos of minus theta is nothing but cos theta. That earlier what we have learned, no, that you should keep in mind. One more. Cos C minus cos D approach. What is the formula? 2 sine C plus D by 2. Their addition 12x by 2 into sine their subtraction minus 2. So it will be 2 sine 6x. Over here it is sine of minus x and can be written as 2 sine 6x and sine x. Sine of minus theta is minus. So far I have explained how to make use of P to S and S to P. You should be comfortable. Learn these formulas with this discussion we are going to conclude this session, this class. Thank you.